Jason Danard here from the Calgary Stockyards with your weekly cattle market report for this week ending October 17th. On a lighter but pretty solid week of trade that was capped with a little bit of Trump excitement. Trump says he thinks he has a deal done to drive the cost of beef down. We don't know exactly how this plays out. We do know that the board was down limit today, and this will have an impact on the market, so definitely stay tuned. On the direct trade this week, we saw fed cattle steady with trade on either side of 5.10 on the rail delivered. Cows under some pressure, about a $10 to $20 drop on the rail from last week with trade on either side of 4.10 on the rail delivered. Feeder cattle market steady this week on team and at levels as high as we have ever seen in October. And we did see trade as follows. We saw the 1,000-pound steers trade at 450, heifers 409 to 432, 9-weight heifers 433 to 467, 8-weight heifers at 466, 7-weight heifers at 477, and moving on to the calves, we saw 7-weight steer calves trade from 560 to 565, 6-weight steer calves 641 to 665, 5-weight steer calves at 751, and heifers from 587 to 657. And please note that these team feeder cattle prices are picked up at the farm or ranch. And it should also be noted that we did see more trade on the bred heifers early on the bred heifer trade this year, but trade very strong. Not surprising to see them trade at the levels that we're currently enjoying. And this week on team, we did see trade from 5,350 to 6,050, and they sold to very good demand. Join us again on Friday. This week, we're expecting a nice lineup of immediate delivery yearlings, most of them coming off grass, immediate delivery calves, some forward calves, and again, I would expect more trade on the bred heifers at the levels that we're currently enjoying. Give your local team agent a call to get your cattle listed for this week's sale. And for further market information, visit us online at teamauctionsales.com, on Facebook at Team Auction Sales, on X at Jason Danard, email jasondanard@hotmail.com, or call or text anytime 403-519-8916. Have a great week.